Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your social engagement with Buffer, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To upgrade your social engagement with Buffer, start by logging into your Buffer account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Here, you will see all your social media profiles linked to Buffer. To begin, click on the Content tab at the top. This section shows you what content you have scheduled and what's performing well. Next, go to the Queue section to see your posting schedule. This is where you can adjust the timing of your posts for maximum engagement. Analyze your audience's online behavior to determine the best times to post. Now, click on Add a Post to create a new piece of content. You can add text, links, images, or videos to your post. Remember to craft compelling captions that encourage interaction. To enhance your reach, utilize popular hashtags related to your content. After composing your post, select the social media platforms you want to share it on. You can customize each post for different platforms if needed. Once you're satisfied, click Schedule Post. This will ensure your content goes out at the optimal time you set. To further increase engagement, monitor how each post performs. Go to the Analytics tab to view metrics for your recent posts. Look for data on likes, comments, shares, and overall reach. Based on this information, adjust your content strategy moving forward. Engaging with your audience is crucial. Respond to comments and messages promptly. Utilize Buffer's response feature to streamline your interactions. Consider using Buffer's scheduling feature to plan your content weeks in advance. This will allow you to maintain a consistent posting schedule. Experiment with different types of content to see what resonates best with your audience. Keep track of trends in your analytics to refine your approach regularly. Finally, integrate user-generated content to foster community engagement. This will help create a more authentic connection with your audience. By following these steps, you'll effectively upgrade your social engagement with Buffer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.